Hey friends, happy Easter. Let's make a delicious Easter dessert, chocolate brownie Easter cookie. So quick, easy, and festive. You're going to add 1 box of Betty Crocker brownie mix, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then line your baking sheet with parchment paper. I added 1 stick of melted butter to my large mixing bowl with 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of water, and then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of pastel sprinkles to keep it Easterly and festive. Blend all the ingredients together. Let it rest for 15 minutes before scooping on your lined baking sheet. I used a medium scoop, so I got about 14 balls, possibly 15 you can squeeze in there. Decorate the tops of them, so lightly press down the tops of them, but not hard, just slightly, and add about 3 Cadbury eggs to each cookie, and then bake for 350 from 9 to 11 minutes. And this is super cute, super delicious. Now, I didn't spread mine out 2 inches apart like you're supposed to. Mine probably was a little bit closer, so they spread out. But they look super cute because they look like little brownie squares. So I actually like them. Because they spread out, I may just add a few more Cadbury eggs to make it even more festive. Like, comment, share, and follow for more of these delicious recipes. I found this on Betty Crocker. My husband's going to enjoy these. I did a reel on my low carb on how I made the same exact recipe low carb. Follow that.